What's the meaning of CST? CST. CST.
CST. CST. CST is an acronym that stands for Central Standard Time. It is a time zone used in North America and several other countries, including Mexico and Central America. This time zone is 6 hours behind Coordinated Universal Time, UTC-6. It is commonly used in the central region of the United States, including states such as Texas, Oklahoma, and Illinois. Knowing the meaning of CST is important for scheduling meetings or events across different time zones, particularly in North America.